Okay guys, we are outside in my backyard today, and hopefully we can get this taken care of before the sun goes down. That would be the ideal goal. I've got my helper here, Porta Doggy, and let's see if we can get this thing set up. When I bought it, it said that it was one person, so I should be able to do it by myself, but let me grab it. Okay. So here it is. Here is the canopy that I ordered. Like I said, it was supposed to be, you know, just one person set it, but it came in this box that is like taller than me. Like it's 5'5" or something, or 5.5 feet tall. I'm like 5'3", 5'4". Like there's no way that this is gonna, I mean, it would fit into my van, but not, I mean, hauling this around is not comfortable. So I hope it like compacts down more, but let's open it up and let's see what happens, because I don't know. And if it doesn't work out, like returning this thing is going to be a pain in the butt. But here, let's open it up. Okay. Definitely like vacuum sealed in, it seems like. Okay. There we go. Okay, that is a huge bag. Does it have rolly wheels on it? Oh, it does have rolly wheels. Okay. I think I can make that work if it's got rolly wheels. Okay. Is that way it's got rolly wheels? I mean, it's not fun, but we'll see what happens after I set it up. I did get the pretty blue color that kind of goes with my theme, my color scheme and my logo. So I got that one. Okay, so back it up over here. So open it up. It says, okay. Every time I pull it, it's not staying in place. So I'm just gonna try and lift it up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's not working. Okay, not that. Oh no. Okay, swing back. Okay, that didn't work. What if I just push it up from the middle? Okay. That is working. Okay. Okay, that kind of works. Okay, and then just put this the rest of the way up. Hey guys, I did it! That didn't take long at all. How long did that take? 12 minutes, 13 minutes. That didn't take long at all. Okay. I mean, I am gonna need to get some leg support. I have some bags, but I need to make sure I fill them with sand or rocks or something to make sure these legs down, because wind in Texas is always, it's usually pretty windy if you're out in the open somewhere. So I'm super excited. I'll hopefully be able to do more outdoor events this summer, and I'll have a canopy and some shade. I mean, it looks really good. I love it. Maybe I can get a sign or something to put in it. And then some of these events might actually be like into the night events, and so I'll be able to like put up lights all on these frames. And so I'm super excited about it. I am. What is this? What is this? Oh, these are the bags. Some more bags. Okay, for the legs. Make sure that we have proper poundage for legs. And then if we are in grass, I have stakes and stuff. So I am super excited about it. All right, I'm gonna take it down before it blows away. The only thing that I'm not excited about is that it doesn't compact anymore. Because there's one that I used from my friend where it compacted to like, it was only up to like my hip, and then it went up. But I mean, I think one, it's the color that I wanted. Two, it was the price that I wanted on Amazon. And you know, I'm able to set it up by myself, which was the main thing. And I think it'll fit in the car okay. So I think this is going to be a keeper. And plus, just like trying to return this would be really cumbersome and difficult, because like you know you have like a drop-off location or whatnot. So like taking it into Kohl's to do the Amazon return seems a little ridiculous. So I'm not going to do that. But super excited about it. So I don't know if this is something that you guys want to check out. I mean, maybe at some of these events, like there will be like other people there who would be willing to help, but I'm not going to go there expecting people to help me. If they offer to help me, I would be more than appreciative and grateful for the help, but I can do it myself. So that is the main thing. All right, now I'm going to tear it down and see how long it takes me to tear it down. Okay, yay! That didn't take me very long. I'm super excited about that. So I will show you guys what it looks like all set up. And next time I have an outdoor event, you'll be able to see it in action. Super excited about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Kind of a quick video today, but thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!